Once you've submitted your application to Covenant, you'll have access to begin applying for our competitive scholarships. We offer a variety of competitive scholarships ranging from $5,000 to full tuition. These can be stacked with other merit-based scholarships you earn due to your GPA and test scores. On your application portal, click on the Scholarship tab. Here's where you'll find all of our competitive scholarships, their requirements, and an option to add them to your checklist. Each scholarship has slightly different requirements. Some require additional essays or reference letters, so be sure to pay attention to what's needed. Once scholarship qualification has been verified, you'll receive information about any next steps, and finalists will be invited to our campus for our scholarship weekend. The results will be shared shortly afterwards. If you aren't selected to receive one of these scholarships, we'd still love to talk with you. Feel free to reach out to our financial aid office with any questions you may have.